1 Minute Latvian Lesson 8.
Sveiki!
Ciao, it's Mark and Arta here from Coffee Break Languages, and welcome to another lesson of 1 Minute Latvian. In this lesson, we're going to be learning to count from 1 to 10.
I think the clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Okay, we're looking at numbers, so Arta is going to say the numbers slowly and pause in between each one. I'll say the English first, and then Arta will say the Latvian. After each number, you should repeat it, trying to make sure your pronunciation is as close as possible to Arta's. Let's begin. 1.
Viens. Viens.
2.
Divi. Divi.
3.
Trīs. Trīs.
4.
Četri. Četri.
5.
Pieci. Pieci.
6.
Seši. Seši.
7.
Septiņi. Septiņi.
8.
Astoņi. Astoņi.
9.
Deviņi. Deviņi.
10.
Desmit. Desmit.
Well done. Let's repeat them again, and this time we'll group them together. 1, 2, 3.
Viens, divi, trīs.
4, 5, 6.
Četri, pieci, seši.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Septiņi, astoņi, deviņi, desmit.
Time's up. This is, of course, lesson number.
Astoņi.
And can you work out what the next lesson will be? Can you help us, Arta?
That's right. It's lesson number deviņi.
Okay, that's all for this episode of 1 Minute Latvian. Next time, we'll be learning to ask the question, how are you? In the meantime, visit our website at oneminute.languages.com.
Paldies un uz redzēšanos!
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.